Duchess of Hamilton now can't come to the event, so Robert Norrenby won't let Stephen come as Glyn and Millie are in for a pose. Now there'll just be you and my lord at this event.
Sir, I know of some famous engines.
Ooh. I'd like you to go to the sheds once you've finished your run. He needs to speak to you. Okay, will do. Is the Fat Controller wanting to see you too? Yes, he does. I wonder why.
Here he is.
Hello, Thomas, Percy and James. I see you got my message, and I have a letter from the National Rail Museum asking for 3 engines to come. Will be displayed alongside Mallard and the Flying Scotsman for a special event. I was wondering if you 3 would like to go and represent my railway. Yes, please, sir. Yes, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Amazing! You leave at the end of the week. Other engines from the mainland will be coming to do your work while you're away. Oh, isn't this exciting? They will be taking photos of me.
Thomas, you have been to the National Railway Museum before. What is it like?
It is very big and it has lots of famous engines there.
Can't wait to go.
Meanwhile, Bill was taking a short goods train along the line. Then he saw a fallen tree on the line. No, I have to stop. Stop! I'm going to crash. What am I doing? Stop! Hey, what are you doing? At the harbour, Thomas and Percy are waiting for the new engine to arrive. Sorry I'm late. There was an accident with I think a little yellow engine. Oh, what was his name? Oh yes, Bill, I think. Anyways, my name is John, and you must be Thomas and Percy.
How do you know who we are?
Everybody knows who you are. Everybody talks about the island of Sodor and its northwestern way. It's amazing to meet you two. Amazing. Right then, let's show you what you need to do. Thank you. We will.
Have a nice time.
We will. We will.
Next stop, the National Railway Museum.